Good morning, it's Monday, February the 25th, and I'm your host for AGORACOM TV, Paul Kondakos. I'm in for your regular host, George Solis. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing you the best press releases and halts before the open so you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Well, it's Monday, so hopefully you had a great weekend, but now it's time to get back to business. I've got 3 great press releases for you, 2 from the Canadian side, 1 from the U.S. side. So without any further ado, let's get into it. First one we have for you is Grizzly Diamonds, trades on the TSX Venture under the symbol GZD. Grizzly Diamonds is no stranger to AGORACOM. They are our clients, so that's a disclaimer time. Make sure you do your own due diligence. However, the news from Grizzly Diamonds stands on its own 2 feet. Quick shout out to Lenora and Brian from Grizzly. The news that we have from Grizzly is they've got great results coming from their property in BC. Now, you might remember Grizzly from last week when they announced they had hit a new kimberlite in northern Alberta, the first one that's been found in the past 5 years, so keep that in mind. The news that we have from them is the results continue to confirm the presence of a significant silver, gold, copper, lead, zinc mineralized system on their property, which is the Peak property in BC. In 2007, they had a total of 22 diamond drills for a total depth of 2,300 meters. In this other segment, we've got a total of 9 drill holes for a total of 979 meters, which tested and expanded the strike extent of the Ute vein during 2007. So the results I'm going to give to you right now are from the Ute vein. From drill hole number 10, they intersected, and these are the numbers that we were talking about. They intersected 2.8 meters, grading 265 grams per ton of silver, 0.44% copper, 1.38% lead, 0.19% zinc, and this is all at a depth of 16 meters. Drill hole number 11 on the Ute vein intersected 3.34 meters, grading 182 grams per ton of silver, 0.33% copper, 1.88% zinc, and finally it's all at 1.88% lead and 0.1% zinc at a depth of 40 meters. There's also more highlights from the Rio and Breccia zones, but I suggest you go to the press release to see exactly what they have. I've got a quote from Brian Testo, the president of Grizzly, who states, "We are extremely pleased that our drilling successfully expanded known mineralization at the Ute, Rio, and Breccia zones. The wider alteration and mineralized system discovered at the Breccia zone is particularly encouraging, suggestive of an extensive mineralized system. Aggressive plans are in place for a follow-up 2008 drill program. They're last at $1.06 off their 52-week high of $1.30. Next one I have for you is Andina Minerals, trades on TSX Venture under the symbol ADM. Big strike length here. Andina Minerals Dorado West Zone drilling returns 836 meters, grading 0.64 grams per ton of gold. That's right, 836 meters. Very big intersection. Their Vulcan Gold Project exploration project located in Chile's Maricunga Gold Belt, and the significant thing about this is that it's 23 kilometers northeast of Kinross's Gold Maricunga gold mine. So within the 836-meter intersection that I referred to originally, they've got a higher grading zone, including 254 meters, grading 1.19 grams per ton of gold. Currently, there are 6 drills on the site in the Dorado West Zone gold deposit, which are there to expand the gold resource and convert inferred category ounces to measured and the indicated ounces. Andina is an Americas-focused exploration company with a portfolio of precious metals exploration projects in Chile. They're last at $4.40 off their 52-week high of $5.50. Last one I have for you is from the U.S., and it's a company called SpaceDev, trades on the OTC BB under the symbol SPDV. What they have here, they've got a significant alliance that they've announced with NASA. So again, SpaceDev announces a relationship with NASA. They're going to produce gearboxes for NASA's Mars Science Laboratory. They were awarded a subcontract in support of the Mars Science Laboratory, which is a key part of NASA's Mars exploration program. MSL is scheduled for launch to Mars in late 2009 to determine if Mars maintains an environment able to sustain microbial life. The subcontract is for the design, development, and delivery of various SpaceDev gearbox system used in the rover sample acquisition system, which will be used to acquire, process, deliver soil samples from the Martian surface. This is SpaceDev's second contract in supporting the MSL, and last year SpaceDev was awarded a subcontract for the design, development, delivery of the MSL descent brake system. So obviously these guys know something. If they're dealing with NASA, they've got to be a bunch of smart guys, and for NASA to be coming back to them for a second contract means they've got quality products. They're last at 75 cents off their 52-week high of $1.06. Now, as I'd mentioned to you at the beginning, we've also got a new segment of this program where we announce the stock halts of the day. First one I have for you is Trelawney Resources, symbol TRR on the venture. It was halted pending contact with the company. Next one I have for you, Sikani Services, trades on the venture again under the symbol SKI, and it's halted pending news. Next one I have for you is Orbite VSPA Inc. Exploration. Trades on TSX Venture under the symbol ORT.A. They're halted at the request of the company, once again pending news. Final one I have for you is Nuvo Network Management Inc. Trades on the venture once again under the symbol NVO, and they were halted pending news. And that's it for AGORACOM TV. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. Make sure you tune in again tomorrow, and we've got more great news and halts for you before the open.